Hello students, I am Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Our today's topic is number system. Which kind of number system are used in computer we will see in this unit. Number system. In early days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. Many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. A number system defined how a number can be represented using distinct symbol. A number can be represented differently in different systems. Let us see what is bit, byte, base in number system. Let's start with bit. Bit, a unit of information expressed as either a 0 or 1 in binary notation. Byte, a group of binary digits or bits, usually 8, operated on as a unit. A byte is considered as a unit of memory size. Base. The base is the number of digits used in it. The larger the base, the more numerals are required. Here, some base are given. For example, decimal number system has base 10, binary number system has base 2, octal number system has base 8, hexadecimal number system has base 16. Decimal number system. The need for counting have paved the path to introduce decimal number system in which 10 digits 0 to 9 are used from any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. It consists of 10 digits. For example, from 0 to 9 with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. For example, 52, 16.83, minus 243, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Decimal number system. Each position represents a power of 10. Here 401 is a decimal number, so 4 into 10 raised to 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 into 10 raised to 0 is equal to 400 plus 1. Here 10 is the base of decimal number system. Next is 130. Here 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 0 into 10 raised to 0 is equal to 100 plus 30, that is 130. Binary number system. The prefix bi stands for 2. The binary number system consists of two digits 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has a base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the data input from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Since the computer is made up of electronic components, it can have only two states, either on or off. So, the data given to the computer is converted into binary form because a computer understands only binary language. One example is given 987, that is decimal number. Let us see characteristics of binary number system. It uses two digits 0 and 1. Base 2 number system. Each position in a binary number represents a 0 power of the base 2. Example 2 raised to 0. Last position in a binary number represents a into x power of the base 2. For example 2 raised to x, where x represents the last position. What are the steps to convert a decimal number into other base system? Here some steps are given. The first is step 1. In step 1, divide the decimal number to be converted by the value of the new base. Step 2. Get the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit of new base number. Step 3. Divide the quotient of the previous divide by the new base. Step 4. Record the remainder from step 3 as the next digit of the new base number. Repeat step 3 and 4, getting remainders from right to left until the quotient becomes 0 in step 3. The last remainder thus obtained will be the most significant digit of the new base number. Conversion of decimal number into binary number system. The rules are: divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down their remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Conversion of binary into decimal number. The rules are: multiply each binary number with 2 having the power of 0 for unitary position starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Sum up all the products to get the decimal number. Here 11010110 is the binary number and 214 is the decimal number. Octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits. For example 0 to 7 with the base 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. Hexadecimal number system. The prefix hexa stands for 6 and the prefix deci stands for 10. This number system contains 16 systems and therefore has the base 16. It uses digits 0 to 9 and A to F. Numbers are 0 to 9, A to F. B is 11, E is 14. Hexadigit is equal to 4 digits. Each place value in a hexadecimal number is a power of 16. Some examples are given. 28 16, 2F 16, BC 12 16. This table is showing decimal number system, binary number system and octal and hexadecimal number system conversion. How to add binary numbers? The table is given. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Carry 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Carry 0. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Carry 0. 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Carry 1. How to convert binary to decimal number? It is given here. Binary subtraction method. For multiply binary number, rules are given. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Multiply 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 1. Multiply 0. 1 into 0 equal to 1. Multiply 0. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Multiply 1. Binary division is same as we are doing in maths. Points to be remembered. System, base, symbols. First is decimal. Base is 10. Symbols are 0 to 9. Binary. Base is 2. Symbols are 0 or 1. Octal. Base is 8. Symbols are 0 to 7. Hexadecimal. Base is 16. Symbols are 0 to 9, A to F. I hope you are able to understand about number system. Thank you. Happy learning.